Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Owami is trending for dragging a YouTuber Nkosi yami ligama le YouTuber utibitanga Antando Mamdleje Kwala. So YouTuber una 33,000 subscribers na 2.7k videos then channel yakhe. So indzaba isusa ukuthi uNtando video ngagogo Manzindo ushone last week. So this other girl commentile ke actually uthi nje uhlala comment into ngekho right ku channel yakhe makasho uNtando. So commentile futhi girl athi yena they are making thumbnails that you benefited from the scheme, and when we comment apparently we are hating. She even has balls to make a video about me, a small YouTuber. Kusho girl apparently na girl une YouTube channel, just the channel yakhona it's very slowly nje yabo channel lehamba kancane. So usho utshela owami ukuthi yana benda ama-thumbnail bathona benefitile from the scheme, and apparently mami nengikhomment akuthiwa njena mina ngiyi-hate baze abenda ne-video ngami. Waphendula ke owami, what's that one has forever been on my case, shame, and her growth is very slow. I am waiting for her to hit 100,000 subscribers. Kusho owami makaphendula that girl. So owami ukile wa trenda for ukuthi vele yena ufila ngazuthi YouTube yakubo ufila ngathi YouTube yakhe, and people are saying ukuthi vele uyawazonda ama YouTubers lamanqane kunaye, and awutibona yena vele I big fish, and that she looks down on small YouTubers, hence why athi yena ulinze uNtando ukuthi reach 100k subscribers. And that's so mean. How can you say like you're waiting for someone to reach 100k subscribers? It doesn't mean ukuthi makangena 100k subscribers that person akayendi imali, uyayenda imali. So people felt ukuthi that was very rude, nangokuthi for someone lo itolo lo uyacela ama donations manje ukhuluma into lefana nalena ngalenye YouTuber. It's so lame. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.